Okay, so I got here to this park, a lot of water, but seems like a fun park. Just an update, this previous weekend I went on this really big hiking camping trip where we hiked to this base camp and we stayed there for a night, and yeah, I was really tired because I sort of overpacked, and yeah, anyways, I'll detail more about that later. I first gotta fly a bit, so yeah. Okay, so yeah, I was flying line of sight here because my goggle battery was plugged for like an entire weekend and it drained out, and that's why I was practicing a bit of a line of sight moves right now. I'm trying to figure out how to just properly land and catch the drone and also take off from my hand, which Mr. Steele does, and it looks pretty cool, so I want to try that. And yeah, otherwise today what I really wanted to talk about was actually traveling light. Because at least during the camping trip, I was pretty weighed down by my stuff. By about 3/4 of the way through, I sort of got very exhausted, and who was it again? Zach ended up carrying my tent because that was the heaviest piece of my whole entire bag. And yeah, anyways, what I do see a lot inside the FPV hobby is a lot of people like Josh Bardwell, and Ledrib, they all carry this giant low pro BP X3 backpack, and it's huge, right? And I've carried a heavy backpack before, and when I did that, I fell on my face flat on a skateboard. I wasn't able to stop my face from hitting the floor, and I lost some teeth, so that wasn't very good. So that's why right now I'm actually traveling quite light. And I wanted to show you guys today what my my setup looks like. You see, my backpack actually looks probably even smaller than my drone, which is a good thing, and it's pretty light as well. And yeah, I basically just wanted to show you guys what I typically carry around every day. Well, typically I just carry around just this goggles, my transmitter obviously, and also my tool bag. My tool bag is, in my opinion, where I stand apart from Josh Bardwell and who is it again, Ledrib, because my tool bag's tiny. They've got like their whole entire workbench stuffed inside this gigantic backpack, and in my case, I just keep it to the bare minimum. In my opinion, what the bare minimum is a TS100. Obviously, I've got the adapter here as well, and also a spare 2S battery, just so I could plug it into my transmitter just in case. And I also have this prop nut tool, obviously, a few spare zip ties, and a pair of tweezers. Otherwise, I also have this screwdriver that I typically put in there, and all these bits are also for the screwdriver as well. And yeah, that's basically it. For props and other stuff, for batteries, I typically put them inside the side pockets, but I actually sometimes put them in my prop bag as well if I run out of space. I actually only carry about maybe 4 to 6 batteries every trip, because that's what I found to be the optimal amount. And yeah, these props just fit right into this bag, and it's pretty nice. And yeah, I guess that's it. I hope you enjoyed, and I'm gonna have to head back because there's a club meeting right now, and I've got to get back to that drone club meeting. to go sort of help on that build. So yeah, that's it. Yeah. Okay, so we're here with Trucks and Michael, and Michael's flying the simulator right now, and that's cool. And I'm gonna have to work on this quad. Yeah, basically, I really hope you enjoyed my video, my commentary on backpacks, I guess, and setups, because I personally think that I found my formula in being lightweight. So yeah, I guess I gotta get to building.
Whew, you got that one. Where's my next one?
There. Actually, there's another one over there.
Oh, well, I definitely missed that.